Hi, today we're going to talk about making your website on WordPress. That is the new application that our school website is on. We're going to talk about the overview of the web page structure, the difference between the front view and the back end editing, and also a little bit on how to edit your web page. But before we begin, I just want you to think about how you want to structure your web page. You'll get a main page, but you certainly can create subpages to your main page. So you could have a main welcoming page and then have different pages for different units. You could have subpages under each unit. So you can get quite complicated, but most of you will just have one page. So let's start with that, but I want you to at least think about how you want to start to structure it. The front end of the teacher web page looks like this. You'll get a main teacher page, and you can add a picture and text and anything you want here. Plus you'll get two text boxes on the side, and you can add links, you can add information, you can add handouts, anything in that, and you also will have a links section. So this is the structure on the front end of your web page. So I just want you to understand that. Then when you sign in, the back end will look like this. You'll come to a main dashboard. You won't have as many fields here. You'll click on teacher pages, and it'll show all the teacher pages that you have access to. If you move your cursor over the page that you want to edit, you click edit. Then it will give you quite a few little boxes that you could be editing. So I want to explain each one of these. The first one is that main page of your web page. So let's look. That first one is this. Then as you scroll down, this is the first text box on the side. This is the second text box on the side. And this is the links area where you can edit your links, and they'll come up in nice bullet points. Let's take a look again. Second text box is this, third is this, and your links area. So let's make a couple of changes so you could see what they look like. And you can insert a picture. We'll talk about that in a minute. And you can add different titles. So I would like to say this is Unit 1. And I can add handouts underneath, and we'll talk about how to do that. This can be policies. You can name them whatever you want. These are my policies. You can have whatever you want, and you can add links. So once you've done a lot of that, you just click update over here, and it'll do its work. Then if you go to the front end and you click this little circle with the arrow, that's the refresh button. It should refresh my page with all my changes. There it is. Welcome to my class. This one I named Unit 1. This is policies. But obviously you will structure your web page as you want. But I wanted you to understand the structure of your teacher page. I wanted you to understand that there's a back end to editing, how to edit each one of these, and how to update. We'll talk about adding media in a different video, but that's sort of the overview of how you edit your web pages.